just been hoping things are going to move. You just are waiting for the justice to come. It's like nothing has been working. I'm seeing that now. This is what good news is. What was not working is going to work finally, because I am seeing justice coming your way. It's coming very fast, and you are maybe you're not even able to see it clearly at the moment. You might be intuitively getting some nudges, but at the same time, you are not very sure whether it is going to happen or not. You've been waiting, just keeping up with the relationships. Everybody deserves love. When you give love, you should get love, but you've not been getting that lately. But you've not given up. Probably you've just been still holding on to the hope from all your loved ones. You've been keeping up with your hope. Your aspirations are nothing ambitious. Like, things just have not been moving, and because you have been so religiously, you've been just hoping for the right things to happen, and you've just been holding up to your faith in God and the good deeds that you've been doing. You've been doing everything right, but you had to go through long wait for the justice to come in. Even though you might feel that they are still very slow, that it might take a bit of time, probably it is still in the process, but I am seeing a sudden thing is going to happen, and suddenly you'll see things will just start moving very fast for you. And I'm seeing that you'll be able to finally see what you have been manifesting. Not even manifesting, it's like you've just been holding up to that faith. So I'm seeing that finally you will be able to see that cup filled for you. Cup that was so empty from so many probably months. For few of you it can be some days, but I'm seeing it a bit long time, that you have been hoping that some love would pour in your cup as well. It's like the relationships that you've been holding on to, they were just so broken that you were just kind of picking up all the pieces and trying to make them complete all the time, and you have been doing it so much so with love, care and faith in God, that everything will be right, everything will be taken care of, everything will be fine, finally everything will be done. And that is the reason why God has heard you. Of course, God will hear anybody who is right. So now you will have the shelter that you had been looking for. It's not little shelter for few of you, it can be just a loving shelter, that kind of a loving warmth of the place that we dwell in. So I hope you're getting the gist of it. For few of you, there was somebody probably not paying attention towards you, so all of a sudden you'll see they come in panic towards you. Is what I'm seeing. And this is something that you're not being able to foresee at the moment. Yes, you might be getting some intuitive nudges. Of course, that is the reason why you are keeping up to your hopes and dream of everything being right, that things are going to happen. They have to happen, because things cannot be wrong for a long time. You have that strong faith and you are very inclined towards the righteousness. That is the reason why suddenly in the blink of an eye I'm seeing things will just, आप expect नहीं कर रहे हो, लेकिन एकदम से आपके सामने अलग ही तरीके से ये चीजें भागती हुई चली आ रही हैं. I'm seeing that very clearly. People who have been ignoring you might not be listening to you, और जो रिश्ते आप जैसे समेट रहे थे, वो रिश्ते जो आपकी तरफ ध्यान नहीं दे रहे थे, वो भागते हुए पैनिक करते हुए कहीं ना कहीं आपकी तरफ आते हुए दिख रहे हैं, because they understand your worth and they'll finally understand that what was wrong in whatever was happening, why it was happening. So yes, finally you'll feel the peace at heart. It's going to happen very soon. I'm wishing you all the best. Enjoy your life, because the things that you have been manifesting are going to show up finally. Enjoy your time. I'll see you next. Bye bye.